Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com. Following Friday night's fire at a children's home in St. Andrew, the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation will be carrying out more building inspections to ensure safety plans and equipment are in place. We have details in this report. Daylight revealing the extent of fire damage at the Jamaica National Children's Home in Papine, St. Andrew. Window panes missing from sections of the top floor and yellow caution tape telling unauthorized persons to keep out. Despite the tragedy, wards who lived there were in good spirits Friday night. None of the 41 children was injured and the 7 caregivers are okay. Still, the Office of the Children's Advocate OCA is deeply concerned. The fire at the Jamaica National Children's Home comes on the heels of another fire which destroyed the Walker's Place of Safety in January 2018. The OCA says it will be investigating this latest fire, which has left an estimated $150 million worth of damage. With the councillor for the Papine Division, Venetia Phillips, and Town Clerk Robert Hill by his side, Mayor of Kingston and St. Andrew, Delroy Williams, says the municipal corporation will be more vigilant.
To review all buildings housing children and vulnerable persons to ensure that those buildings have the necessary safety in place and so that in the event of fires and so forth, that those safety measures and devices and equipment can prevent major damage and also the loss of lives. So that's something that we will be taking up under the Building Act. We also will be looking at the other fire.
He also made this appeal to schools and other institutions.
Take the necessary steps to ensure that we have appropriate fire safety devices, sprinklers and so forth in place in our institutions, in all the buildings. And also we commit that the KCMC will also be ensuring under the Building Act, acting under the Building Act to ensure that we have, where necessary, that we ensure that these fire safety equipment and devices are in place in structures across the municipality.